Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the daily habits of highly successful individuals. By incorporating these habits into your own life, you can boost your productivity, achieve your goals, and unlock your full potential. Let's dive in. Habit 1. First and foremost, successful individuals start their day early. Waking up before the sun rises allows them to have a head start and set the tone for the rest of their day. Make it a habit to embrace the mornings, and you'll see how it transforms your productivity. Habit 2. Next, successful people take time for meditation or mindfulness. Engaging in these practices helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance focus. Find a quiet moment each day to center yourself and restore balance in your life. Habit 3. Focus on personal development. Highly successful individuals never stop learning. They invest time in reading, continuous education, or listening to podcasts. Make it a habit to expand your knowledge and gain new perspectives. Habit 4. Regular exercise is crucial. Successful individuals understand the importance of a healthy body to support a healthy mind. They make time for physical activity, whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga. Prioritize your physical well-being for increased energy and mental clarity. Habit 5. Effective goal setting is another habit of successful individuals. They set clear, measurable objectives and break them down into smaller milestones. By doing so, they stay motivated and track their progress. Start setting SMART goals to take your achievements to the next level. Habit 6. Networking and building relationships are vital. Successful individuals understand the value of connecting with like-minded individuals. Take time each day to reach out to colleagues, attend networking events, or engage in online communities to expand your network. Habit 7. Lastly, successful people prioritize self-care. They recognize the importance of taking care of themselves mentally, emotionally, and physically. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine, whether it's through taking breaks, pursuing hobbies, or spending quality time with loved ones. And there you have it. The daily habits of highly successful individuals, starting early, practicing mindfulness, lifelong learning, staying active, goal setting, networking, and prioritizing self-care. Integrate these habits into your life and watch your success soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you next time.